Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my daughter and she and I are drawing
Tortoise and the hare.
Yeah, the tortoise and the hare. So we're gonna draw the tortoise going along the finish line while the rabbit is sleeping against a rock. It's a story that teaches that even if you're super fast, you can't be lazy. And that if you're a hard worker, you're gonna finish. And you can sometimes finish first because sometimes people give up along the way, huh? So if you don't give up, then you can
I want the rabbit to win.
Well, the rabbit needs to not be lazy then, huh?
I want the rabbit to win.
The rabbit would have won if he had just ran fast the whole time.
He was going. He is for mine.
For yours. Well, not for our picture. For our picture, we're gonna draw the tortoise winning. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with the rabbit over here.
Can we first do the rock?
Well, no, the rock goes behind. So you could draw the ears first. So you can draw one ear going back like this. Comes down into a point, and then over and back up. And then his other ear goes like this.
And then
back
what?
Together.
Like this?
Yeah, sure. Very good. All right, so his head comes down and over.
Down and over.
And up like this. Okay?
I started from here.
Yeah. And then the nose, you make kind of a triangle over there. And then he's sleeping, just snoozing, so you can draw two sleeping eyes. And he could be snoring with his mouth open like this. And then his teeth look like rabbit teeth. So they come down like that, and then one line in between. Then his little tongue back here, and then this can be filled in. Good. Oh, fill in just a little bit right next to that other two. Very good. Okay, that's fine. And then he has whiskers because he's a rabbit. So you can just draw two little whiskers.
I always wish I could have a rabbit.
I know. And then we can draw some Z's to show that he's sleeping.
He's in a deep.
Yeah. All right. And then he has an arm behind his head. So you make...
Because it's a rock.
Yeah. So you make this shape. Like that. So one line going over there. The other line on the inside. And then he's leaning against the rock here. So it goes down and then flattens out where he's sleeping. And then his feet are pretty big because he's a rabbit. So you make that shape for his foot. And then his foot comes back and over like this. And then his belly comes over like that.
He's skinny.
Yep.
I want him not that skinny.
Okay. And then his knee is like this. Then you can kind of see his other arm just right there. And then the rock he's leaning against, you can do kind of like jagged lines. And so we'll color that gray for a rock leader. And you can just draw some like leaves or grass behind it. You can draw a big leaf like this. So you make a curvy line down.
Road for the tortoise to run.
Okay, that's at the very end then. So you could draw a leaf here to show he's being shaded by a leaf. This one behind over here. We'll color those in green later. You can even draw some other grass around him.
He's laying on the grass. Like a bed.
Oh yeah, there you go. It's up. Okay, because we need to leave room for the tortoise. You almost took over. Okay, so now we need the tortoise he's going to be a little bigger because he's in the forefront. Like, he's kind of back there, and the tortoise is going to be big in the front. So we're going to start up higher here with his eyes. Man, this is not a very good Sharpie. Okay, so one eye here, and one eye here. And you can do kind of like an eyelid that goes across like that. And then right underneath the lid, you're going to draw the eyeballs, or the black part. And then two little eyebrows like that.
Where?
See those two little eyebrows? And then over here, we're going to start a curve.
Where?
In this corner, so go up from that eye. And then it's going to curve around, come down, and then it's going to turn into a smile like that. And then it's going to come down here and back up. And then you can draw like a tongue in there and two nose holes right there. Yeah, and you can fill that in if you want. Okay, wait for me. Wait for me. All right, so then this comes down.
And it meets up.
Yeah, he's got a skinny neck down here. Meets up down here. And then you also need to remember his chin goes around the mouth, and then it gets skinny up here. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. Okay, so now we're going to draw an oval around his neck like this. And you can fill that in. The neck kind of disappears in this shadow. Okay.
Then I want to draw his shell.
But wait a second. Let's do the front part of his shell first.
Shall we?
That's okay. All right. So we're going to make a circle around that meets up with that oval. And then we're going to draw lines like this.
Looks like a honey draw.
Yeah. And then there's a little line right behind here. And it comes over. And then before we finish that line, let's draw his hand. So he's so excited. He's got his hands raised. So it goes up like that. Then his thumb goes over. And then 1, 2, 3. We'll just give him 3 fingers. Oh, that's cute. And then a line over and down for his palm. Oh wait, not that arm yet.
Sorry.
It's okay. Now we're going to do this back shell. So it goes behind his arm. And then it curves down.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you don't need to keep saying I'm sorry. It's all right. And then it comes down and over. And then he's got some spirals on the back of his shell. Like
I'm
that.
not doing spirals.
You're going to do stripes. Okay. And then his foot, if you've got room, comes down, over, and then up, kind of like a rectangle shape. And then 2 lines come down, and it meets up. And you can draw like a little knee.
Fast line?
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea to show him going fast.
Wait, no, he's not. He's going slow.
Oh, you're right.
But
He is going slow. But he's still winning.
yeah.
That's
I
true.
don't have room for the finish line thing.
That's okay. You don't have to draw a finish line. Okay, now let me draw his knee over here. And then his other foot kind of is hiding behind. Okay, so his other foot's hiding behind. Oh, he needs a little tail.
Why you tail?
Because turtles have tails.
Like 10 from 9.
And then he's got 2 spots on his head. Right here.
2 spots.
And then his other hand comes out like this. And his thumb.
I already did it.
And then,
Oops.
well, that looks more like his fingers. That's okay. And then we can just draw a little thumb right there. That's cute. Okay, so now if you have room and you want to, you can draw a finish line, but you don't have to. And the finish line can go like this.
I might have room.
And you can draw like the posts that are holding the finish line.
It's the finish line is kind of far away.
Yeah. And if you want to write the word finish, follow me. Okay, ready?
I don't know.
F.
Don't have room.
You don't have room? Okay. So for the kids watching, if you want to write the word finish, write F, I, N, I, S, H. And if those letters are too hard for you, just leave it blank and you can just color it red and that will show that it's the finish line. All right, so.
Can I draw the starting line over here?
No, the starting line was a long time ago. It's a long race. All right, so you wanted to draw the pathway, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So you can draw it kind of behind the turtle. Oh, that's cute. I like how yours goes down. I should have done that. Oh well, mine's I'll just do it kind of like this. That's cute. All right. So now we're ready to color it.
I'm gonna draw the footsteps.
Okay. So we're gonna color ours fast on time lapse, but you can pause it on our final picture. We're gonna take a picture of it and put it on the screen, and then you can use our colors to help you color yours. I hope you had fun drawing your tortoise and the hare, and make sure you follow us so that you don't miss our future videos, and we will see you next time.